In this video, I will guide you on how to fix bad audio quality on Discord mobile. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Discord app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. That should take you to settings. Here, scroll down and get to the app settings section. Here, find the option of voice, tap on that. Now, there are a couple of settings that you want to tweak to fix the bad audio quality. The first thing you want to do is find the option auto sensitivity. Make sure to toggle this option on. Next, you want to scroll down. Here, find the option of echo cancellation. You should find this under voice processing. Toggle this option on. Once you have toggled it on, you simply want to test out the input sensitivity over here. If the indicator is solid green, then Discord is transmitting your voice. Once you have done all of that, you simply want to head back. Now test your voice audio again in call or voice channel, and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.